What are the most important geological areas for gold? Gold is not found randomly. If you are interested in searching for gold, whether you are a beginner just starting out or an experienced prospector looking for deeper understanding, this video is very important for you. Gold forms in specific geological environments. In greenstone belts, ancient rocks and faults allow hydrothermal fluids to deposit gold in quartz veins. In hydrothermal quartz veins, hot fluids fill rock fractures and leave behind quartz, sulfides, and sometimes visible gold. In placer deposits, erosion transports gold into rivers where it settles in natural traps like bedrock cracks and black sand. Gossan zones, with red and brown oxidized rocks, can indicate hidden sulfide minerals that may contain gold. Understanding these geological environments helps prospectors and geologists identify areas with higher potential for gold. If you enjoyed this content and want more knowledge about gold and geology, subscribe to the channel to receive more scientific insights and discoveries. Press the like button to support the content and help it reach more people. Share this video with your friends and loved ones so everyone can benefit together. Let's discover the secrets of the earth and gold.